Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid, and you know what time it is. It's cafecito time. Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid. I make videos on coffee reviews, coffee recipe, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee, which includes what I call cafecito adventures, going out to coffee shops, coffee places, coffee houses, and just discovering new places to go have coffee. So my last video I made is of a cafecito adventure, and those usually don't get as many views and as much love. I guess you guys are here more for the other type of coffee videos, but I would really appreciate it if you haven't watched my cafecito adventure video that I just posted. Go watch it. Go give it some love. Give it some thumbs up. I really want to start going out and sharing coffee places with you. Now that things are opening up, we're able to go to coffee shops, actually sit there, enjoy our coffee. Some of these places have been closed for about a year. Some of these places are just starting to get back in business. So not only do I want to support them, but I think it would be great if you showed the video some love. And if you are local to where I am, go visit these coffee shops. And yeah, that would mean a lot. So let's get started with today's video. Okay, so today I have a coffee review for you. I was at the grocery store the other day, you know, buying my usual groceries, and I saw these drinks. They caught my attention because they are new. I've never seen them before. I don't know how new they are. They're newish. Maybe you've already seen them. Maybe you already tried them, but I have not. Before I came into the world of Nespresso, I was a very, very, very loyal Starbucks fan, drinker. I still like Starbucks, but you know, I don't go to Starbucks as much since I bought my Nespresso machines. But when I saw these drinks, they really caught my attention, and I said, you know what, I'm going to buy these, I'm going to take them home, and I'm going to try them and make a video for you guys. So today I have the Starbucks Cold and Crafted made with cold brew. So basically a cold brew in a bottle, coffee sweetened black. So this is already sweetened, doesn't have cream, it just has the sugar. And it's made with cold brew. So we're going to try this one. And it says it is super smooth Starbucks coffee, sweetened to perfection, ready for you to enjoy. So this is one we're going to try. There we go. Another one I saw that caught my attention is we've all seen these bottled Frappuccinos, but this one is brown butter caramel, yum. And it has a splash of cold brew. A splash of cold brew. So I thought, wow, that's a different flavor. So brown butter caramel Frappuccino in a bottle with a splash of cold brew. So we're gonna try this one. These I found in the grocery store in the beverage aisle, like where you buy the sodas and stuff. They have a section. With like energy drinks and coffee drinks. This is where I found them. And I believe they were like $2.49 each. I took pictures, so I'll insert the pictures and I'll show you how much they cost. This is the one that really caught my attention. I was like, I must try it. It is a Starbucks Frappuccino Passport series. So it is a chocolate churro. I love me a good churro moment. So we're trying this one, inspired by flavors around the world. Yes. So this is another one we're going to try, the chocolate churro Frappuccino from the Passport series. Oh, there we go. So yeah, let's get started with this one. And you know, sometimes you just don't want to make coffee. Summer's coming, it's gonna get hot. You just want to have something ready to go. You could just grab and drink. So let's try this one. Starbucks Cold and Crafted, made with cold brew. So make sure you shake these good. That's one thing I have learned. You need to shake, shake, shake. Like Taylor Swift would say, shake, shake, shake it off. Or what does she say? I don't know. I'm getting old. Okay, let's try it. Okay, doesn't look too dark, so it smells good. And the ingredients is just cold brew Starbucks coffee with sugar. So you could add cream if you want, you could add ice if you want, you could add milk. I had them in the refrigerator, so they're cold. So cheers to some cafecito. Ooh, this is good. This tastes like if you got some cold brew coffee, iced coffee at Starbucks. It's a little bit sweet, so I would definitely put some creamer. It's not too strong, but it doesn't taste watery to me, so this is pretty good. It's a little bit sweet. I would have liked it not sweetened, just the black coffee, and then I could either add my own sweetener and creamer. But if you like sweet coffee, this is really good. They did have another one that already had, I think it was vanilla, and it already had the milk. But I just wanted to try this one since I was getting these two already made. So yeah, definitely pretty good. I would recommend you try it if you like cold brew sweet coffee. Very, very smooth. Okay, so next one we're going to try is, these are big bottles, the brown butter caramel. It doesn't have a lot of information, just brown butter caramel with a splash of cold brew. It says chilled coffee drink. Okay, it's chilled. I'm going to shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. These you have to do shake really good. And like I said, you could drink these over ice or just chill like this. Mine is just chilled. I even put it in the freezer for a little bit. So, oh, there it is, the pop. Ooh. I smell the caramel right away. Looks creamy. I definitely smell caramel for sure. Brown butter caramel, okay. With a splash of cold brew. Oh boy. This is really good, but very sweet. That's one thing about these. I think they make them a little too sweet for my taste, but really good flavor. I get the caramel, like creaminess. I'm not sure what brown butter is supposed to taste like, but definitely taste the caramel, and it does taste very creamy. Very good, but again, a little sweet. So I don't know, maybe I'll have to add some more coffee or, I don't know, ice to kind of water it down a little bit, but definitely good. Oh, okay. Let's move on to the next one. This is the one I've been very excited. I bought this a couple days ago, and I'm like, okay, I have to make this video because I really, really want to taste the chocolate churro. Okay. I have a video before I started making coffee videos. I used to do just, about travel and local things. I have a video about a local churro truck. I will link that, and you guys have to watch it because those are like the best churros I've ever had, even better than the ones I had in Mexico City. So whenever I see anything churro flavor, it reminds me of that churro truck we like to go to and buy churros. Okay. Okay. The first scent the hit I get is the cinnamon, which is good. Chocolate churro. Okay. In Mexico City, there's this very famous churro place, and we went to go visit it when I was there a couple years ago. And there's this chocolate sauce that they give. Well, you have to buy it separately, but they have a chocolate sauce for you to chip. They have a chocolate sauce for you to dip your churro into it. So maybe this is kind of like the idea. This one's good. This one is very cinnamony, it tastes a lot like cinnamon, which I like. I don't really taste chocolate, but that's okay. And you know what? This one is definitely not that sweet. I mean, it does have sugar in it, but the sweetness is not as strong and sweet as the brown butter caramel. Ooh, this one's really good. Definitely get churro vibes with this one. Oh my God, this was really good. Ooh. Winner, this is the winner of all three of them. This one is the one I like the best and the one that I would definitely buy again. Ooh, I wonder how this would taste with a shot of espresso. I might have to do a little test with this, but I just wanted to share with you guys, you know, if you don't have an espresso machine, or sometimes, you know, you just don't feel like making your own coffee at home. You have some new choices at the grocery store. I bought these at a local grocery store called Vaughn's, but they should have them at most grocery stores. I know certain flavors vary by areas, but I think if you go onto the Starbucks website, you can search where they have them. I'll link that below if I could find that information. So yeah, just letting you know what's out there. Coffee Sweeten, made with cold brew. Brown butter caramel frappuccino with a splash of cold brew. And my favorite, this one is my favorite of all three, the chocolate churro frappuccino from the Passport series. So good. Definitely you guys need to try this. Delish. I really, really, really like it. Hope you enjoyed this video, just showing you guys other options for coffee, because if you're a coffee lover, then you like all kinds of coffee. And if you're like me, I like to try different things, new things, and just see what's out there. So hope you guys like these videos. You know what to do. Give us a thumbs up. Like our video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because we're going to do some giveaways besides the Nespresso machine at the 5,000 subscriber mark. I have another giveaway, actually maybe 2 giveaways for the summer coming up. So make sure you're subscribed. Hit the notifications so you know when our videos are coming every Sunday, every Wednesday. And, you know, I'm working on getting a 3rd video out there for you guys. I have more coffee pairing videos coming up. So if you haven't watched that video, go watch it. I'll link it. Don't forget to show some love to my Cafecito adventure video. And yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next week. Bye.